I did not
me?
know that I was going to be sitting here with Reverend Peterson tonight, who I have some very serious issues with in terms of some of the
You're hijacking my show.
Some of the misogynist things you have said about women in your sermon about how women have created a shameless society and most women are little whores, and that it was okay to call Sandra Fluke a slut, and that you shouldn't put women in powerful businesses, and that if you leave women alone in the family, they destroy the family.
I don't know. Goodbye to America is over. My America is gone.
You've discovered some way to make dishes shine. Discovered something new. Now I wash them the way you should. Enjoy.
That's right. You can take real pride in your dishes.
Get your dishes shiny, please. What's joy to zap this tough grease right out of the way?
One of the primary reasons is that it is over for America is because women are taking over.
That power against grease, and it costs so little.
Not all. There are some, a few out there that are logical women that can make sound decisions, but most cannot.
Oh, yeah. Just making it easy for the clean-up woman to get my baby's love.
Oh, no, doggy out.
What?
Out, afuera.
I live here.
No, afuera.
But look, I'm trying.
Hola?
Yes, could you please put Brian back on?
No, doggy afuera.
You're the new housekeeper, aren't you?
Sí.
Listen, I don't want to point fingers, but I'm missing about $1,000 in play money.
I take.
What? You took it?
Sí.
Well, give it back.
Come get, bitch.
And the one thing I know for sure, without a doubt, women cannot handle power. It's not in them to handle power in the right way.
Is it that late? Dad will be here any minute. Better tell Mother she's needed in the kitchen.
Harold, is the coffee all right?
Bad taste. Honey, your coffee's undrinkable.
It's pretty harsh.
Well, so's your coffee. You know, the girls down at the office make better coffee on their hot plates. Well, see you later.
Now, mother and daughter put the finishing touches on the dinner.
Hey, Mom. What's for dinner?
I was just thinking about that.
The dinner table is where I learned how to be responsible. Shoot, how to hold a fork right. Teaching them right from wrong. That's my job.
Cocinar con mucha sal.
Mandando y todo así.
Claro,
No.
si vas a estar aquí para que ayudes.
Te voy a decir una sola cosita nada más. Esa música me gusta mucho, pero yo creo que tú deberías cocinar con otro tipo de música.
Pues dale.
Suéltale, ya va, espérate. Bueno, pon la carne primero,
Espérate. Vamos a echar aquí también el
Uy,
sazón
Dios mío.
de color.
¿Se te pasó el sazón?
No, para
¿no?
nada. Eso es un sobrecito.
¿Va a quedar anaranjado?
Raúl, yo sé lo que estoy haciendo.
The real true power comes from God, and God is the one that gave man the power and the authority over the wife and to spiritually guide the world.
Yes, Mother. Junior remembered to clean up.
Tying little shoelaces, wiping off dirty faces, are just a couple of things that a mother will do.
Looks like someone used my nice clean towels again for his mud pies.
Was it me?
Who's this?
That guy? Never seen that guy in my life.
With a Kool-Aid smile and a sparkle in your eye.
How do we get to a point where women think we should pay for them to have sex? You know, how do we get to a point they want to force us to buy them birth control? You know, was I sleeping when this was happening? You know, I didn't see this coming. you know, it blows my mind. Most of the time, you're too embarrassed to let people know you even use those things. But how do we get to a point now where these women are fighting to make us pay for that? They want to have sex out of wedlock. They want to have abortions. They want to do this and that. And they want us to pay for it. Women are now degraded. They have no shame.
The women of this family seem to feel that they owe it to the men of the family to look relaxed, rested, and attractive at dinner time.
Wanna make some noise, really raise my voice. Yeah, I wanna scream and shout.
But this woman's sitting there testifying about how much sex they're having out of wedlock. And all these women into all this stuff with no shame. Women would not have done that in the good old days. There would have been a sense of shame about it.
This could be you. Now look and feel great with Phenobestin 37.5.
Do you feel sexy? Do you have the body you've always dreamed of? You can change the way you look. You have the power to reinvent yourself.
And she didn't realize that she looked like a slut sitting there making that type of confession. You can look at their homes, you can look at the businesses, you can look at the community, wherever women in schools, wherever women are taking over, evil reigns.